Have you ever wanted to photograph birds up close right here in Bangalore? In today's video, we are taking you along as we explore a hidden gem, a dedicated bird hide in Kanakapura, just a 2-hour drive from the city. After a scenic drive, we arrived and got our cameras ready. Then the real adventure began, the classic waiting game. Our patience paid off quickly. The first visitor was a red-whiskered bulbul enjoying a lively water bath, and pretty soon the place came alive with a flurry of colorful birds. As more birds made their appearance, our excitement grew. But the real highlight of the day was spotting a species I had never photographed before, the Tickle's blue. Watching it splash around was an incredible sight and made the entire experience unforgettable. The best part, this amazing day of bird photography cost us less than 2000 rupees. If you're a nature lover, you definitely want to check this place out.